I was made aware of the Evergreen Group in my earlier professional career. I was from shipping. I was from APL, and we had our base in Kaohsiung. So during that time, it was a budget shipping line, but it was a big shipping line and very good size, new vans, always green. And earlier today, when we were having our dinner, I was looking at the videos. Terrific planes. You know, and I was surprised that, you know, the ratings are 5-star. And look forward to try it more in the future. I go visit Taiwan on business, and we take Eva Air. But again, I look forward to traveling on Eva Air. Congratulations. And looking at talents here, you know, you have a world-class airline. You will have a world-class athlete. You know, and there are world-class people here. You know, and going towards the marathon, of course, you start from 2018, and hopefully it will become like the Boston Marathon. You know, become a world-class event. And represented by a world-class athlete, we hope to invite more and more people to join. There are a lot of Filipinos, I believe, in Taiwan. And we look forward to more collaboration. And of course, this is a new travel agency run by world-class furniture makers and world-class people. I believe she has other career in hosting as well, no? Because she's very well in entertaining and, you know, delivering in a very glorious voice. And also can be a game show host. So, pwede, new career. Laban. Okay. So again, I wish all the luck in the event and congratulations to the organizers. And we're glad to be part of your event. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sir Vito.